Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about JD.com shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to message seller on JD.com shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yahu. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or iDoBish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund a Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your JD shopping app. So I'm going to click on here now. So have you opened up your JD shopping app? This is how it's going to look like. Okay. So from the home page right here, we can decide to message any seller right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to message this particular seller right here. What we want to do is to go ahead and click on the product link. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to proceed to the link. Now here we go. For us to message this particular seller, what we want to do here is to make sure we click on here. And a chat box here is going to pop up. We can simply send the product link right here. Now, for us to chat with seller right here or message seller right here, we need to use an application called Google Translate. You can see they started chatting me instantly. Okay, now we have to exit from my JD app right here. Then I will make sure I proceed with my Google Translate. So if you are using Android phone, simply go ahead and go to your Play Store and download Google Translate. If you are using iPhone, go to your App Store and download Google Translate. Google Translate is a free app that allows you to chat or communicate in whatever language of your choice. So after you have downloaded and successfully installed it, go ahead and click on the app icon to run this. So I'm going to click on it right away. There's going to load up right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you set your language. So you can set your primary language to be whatever language you understand, but it must be translated to Chinese to simplify. Like for instance, if you do not understand the English language, you can see there are so many more language right here you can choose. But as far as this tutorial is concerned, I'm using my English language right here as a universal. Then I will go ahead and make sure I type in my message right here. Hello, friend, do you have these items in store? I want to order now. Just go straight to the point. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you scroll down right here. Go ahead and copy the translate. Then go back to your JD shopping app right here. Click on here. Then click on here, paste your chart and